everyone, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Rainbow, and yes, hola mi amigos. Yes, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming back at you guys with another video, which this video is going to be a crazy, fun, curious and entertaining one. This video might go left, this video might go right, but wherever it goes, I'm taking you guys along with me. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing or continuing my series on my channel, or the famous series that's taken over YouTube, which is the I tried following a dash blank make tutorial. And as you guys know, I already did Kim Kardashian, Jaclyn Hill, and attempted Kylie Jenner. So if you guys know, today I'm coming at you guys hard, like very full on with this tutorial. Not really a tutorial, but I'm going to be following or trying to attempt a Sophia the First makeup tutorial. Now, if you guys don't know Sophia the First, basically that bitch is popping on Disney.
Sophia the First.
Like all the little children, everybody, your kids, like everybody in their age group, in the smaller age group, probably knows Sophia the First. However, bitch, I didn't know her. I just typed in make tutorial animated and she popped up. Basically, I'm going to be watching her supposedly make tutorial that I guess somebody really created the make tutorial and uploaded it. But anyways, I'm going to be following her make tutorial and I'm going to be showing you guys the end result, and this should be pretty interesting because you guys, I'm literally following a cartoon. Most people have seen, or most people have followed a beauty guru or beauty influencer make tutorial. However, I'm just plain and simple going to be following a Sophia the First Disney Channel makeup tutorial. Now you guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So we're going to be watching Miss Sophia's makeup tutorial and we're going to see what she's saying. Now if this is your first time seeing my face or coming across my channel, darling, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button in the bars down below, because why not? You're already here. So just go ahead and join Rainbow Gang. We're happy to have you. Now if you guys are already subscribed, if you guys have been subscribed, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Also, you guys, I must say a part 2 to my Q&A will be coming to my channel soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys want to be involved or want to be want to get a shout out in my video, just go ahead and leave your questions down below, or just say hey, let me know what's popping in the comment section down below, darling. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so Miss Sophia is coming along. Fun kids games, blah blah blah. So Miss Sophia looks really fancy. You guys, like, this bitch has all her shit laid out, like, yes. So first thing she is doing is getting her hair ready. Miss Sophia said, oh, not today. You guys ain't finna get a makeup tutorial from me. I'm just gonna do this shit, get this over with, and move it along. Miss Sophia said, no, bitch. So Miss Sophia is cleansing her face. So I'm just going to go ahead and also cleanse my face. Miss Sophia has a little acne, but bitch, we don't. So we're cleansing our face. Miss Sophia must be related to Dora the Explorer. Her eyebrows are literally Miss Sophia is a little bit fast because this bitch got everything laid out as I said. So Miss Sophia is, yeah, balling up her hair. So what we finna do is we finna get our brows ready, because Miss Sophia is already like so ready. So yeah, we're finna get our brows ready. So I guess Miss Sophia is going for a natural look. So we're gonna go for some really natural brows today. Bitch, Miss Sophia just went ahead right in and applied her all over face shit. So that's what we are about to do. Sophia did not apply a lot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation, and I'm going to go all over my face with that. And I'm just using the smallest amount. We're just gonna go ahead and apply that under our eyes as Miss Sophia did. Miss Sophia is a beauty guru, bitch. Okay, you guys, so Miss Sophia used a sponge, so I'm going to be taking this beauty blender and I'm just going to be buffing all of that into my skin. As you guys can see, I'm just using my cheapy foundation from LA Girls. I'm not like Miss Sophia. Miss Sophia has money. Miss Sophia already went ahead and started her highlight, so I'm going to go ahead and start my highlight as well. As I said, you guys, we do not have the coins like Miss Sophia, so what I'm about to do is I'm going to mix these two, and we're gonna get my contour highlight shade. So Miss Sophia got money, we do not, so we're just gonna make it work. Miss Sophia got the coins, you do not. Miss Sophia is rich, darling. Disney has that check. So right now Miss Sophia is blending, so we're going to be blending as well. So you guys, pretty much I'm feeling this look. Miss Sophia definitely got the plug. She definitely knows how to help her brother out, bitch. Like, Miss Sophia did that. I doubt Miss Sophia has this. We're gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Okay, we are matte. We are ready to go. What's she about to do? So Miss Sophia fixed her hair. Miss Sophia has a variety of wigs, bitch. We don't. So Miss Sophia did her lashes, so I'm gonna do my lashes. Miss Sophia. Oh. Miss Sophia. Oh. What the? Oh my god. I literally just messed up right here. So went natural on the lip. Best believe we're about to go natural too. So okay. Miss Sophia is not playing no games. Oh yes. Yes, bitch, yeah. Sophia put on any contour. However, so that's what we're gonna do.
Guru bitch, like, you really motherfucking guru. Yes. Which earthquake? Which earthquake? No, girl.
Absolutely fucking not.
Now you play doon? Bitch. Bitch. Bitch, I look too good to be. What the? Apparently, my sister just felt an earthquake, bitch, but I guess because I am doing my face, I did not.
So this is what my face looks like after like attempting or watching a Sophia the First make tutorial, which darling, this is like, honestly, this is not bad.
Miss Sophia just helped me beat this face. Now I'm about to help myself out this because there was literally just an earthquake. Bye guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and thank you guys for everything. And I'll see you guys next time. So bye guys.